Let me show you how to make these apple fritters that are so delicious. No yeast necessary, but they're fluffy and so perfect. They come together quickly within a half an hour, so get cooking because I'm telling you, these are so good. Start by whisking together all of your dry ingredients, and you add in your milk, your melted butter, your egg, your vanilla, and give everything a really good whisk until it comes together in like a batter forms. Once your batter is ready, you're going to set that aside and peel and dice an apple. Make sure that you're dicing your apple quite small. You can see, for me, I like to kind of slice it thinly as I'm dicing it, if that makes any sense, because I don't want the apple to be too big. Otherwise, it won't soften throughout the cooking process. And because these cook so quickly, your apples need to be finely chopped. So go ahead and mix that together. I just fold it in with a spatula, and I have some oil coming to temperature, and once it's ready, I drop them in using my ice cream scoop. This is a small ice cream scoop. You can also just use 2 spoons to spoon them in. They take a couple of minutes to cook, making sure to give them a flip halfway through, and they are beyond. They're so delicious. They're so easy. Such a family favorite. Everyone raves about them, and I make them constantly around this time of year because, like I said, they're a family favorite. Toss them in a little bit of cinnamon sugar just to give you that apple cider donut like flair and taste and vibe, but without having to use yeast and letting it rise a long time. These are so easy. Just serve them as is, serve them with a glaze, serve them with coffee, serve them with tea. It doesn't matter. They are delicious and you will love them.